Good evening, boys and girls. So today was very tiring. I had a lot of highs, but I also had a very big low. So the rest of the highs will be in a different video, but I need some advice on the low because I had a serious crash. So without further ado, here it is. Please don't laugh too loud about me.
I have no idea what happened there. It had to do a tool change, and it didn't do that. And well, you can see how flat the aluminium's here. There was a serious bump, and tool is all gone, color is gone. Ah, it's like all of it's gone. You can even see the stamp of the color in the brand of the color in the knife. I have no idea why it did that. It had to do a tool change, then it would just go do a little simple engraving. So either it didn't grab the correct tool, or it overrode some value, or just slammed down, and I was too late on the brakes. It was excruciating. Oh, hopefully it still works. I must look like a machining noob now, which I am, but like a real unforgiving person who, just types in code and hopes everything goes right. So I'm trying to figure out what went wrong, and it's here in the code already at the top. What we're doing is we're changing from tool 2 to tool 4. And tool 4 is the engraving end mill, but there is no G of T4, there is no G43H06. So what happens is the post went in and it didn't do any tool changes. So the mill thought it had to continue with tool number 2, which has a much longer stick out. So it went all the way down, and where it would have stopped because the tool was reaching the blade, it didn't. It just plunged in, and I had the feed rates at 100%, and I was too late. And I'm racking my brain why it didn't post to tool change, and then I figured out it's doing that because I just did a post for the work bee. So I sent a freaking router code to Syil mail, and then the post processor didn't process the tool change. So that's what happened. I hope the mill is still alright. I did turn on the spindle. Everything seems to sound alright. The collet is definitely game over. Tool was into 4 or 5 pieces, so that's definitely game over. I hope the fixture is still functional. And here is where I'd like to have your advice. What should I check to see if the machine is still okay? You guys have more experience than me. I'm still very much a novice. I'm trying to tell the story with errors and all, but you guys, please help me. What do I need to check to see if the machine is still in order? Well, many thanks in advance.